The ingredients are 400 grams of frozen garden peas, 1 chopped leek, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 liter of vegetable stock, 150 milliliters of heavy cream, salt and pepper. Take a large pot and put it on fire. Add some olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the leek and also add the onion and give it a good stir. Now let it fry for a while until the onions and leek are starting to look glazy. Next, I've crushed the garlic and now I'm going to add it as well. Give it a little stir. Now I'm going to add the peas and stir it up. So I've stirred it all very well and now I'm going to add the vegetable stock. Put a lid on it. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer until the peas are mushy. So the peas are mushy. Now I'm going to turn off the fire and I'm going to mix with my stick blender. Alright, as you can see, I've blended the pea soup and it's already a very nice green color. Now I'm going to add the cream. Mix it all up again. And finally, let's season with some pepper and some salt. And our pea soup is done, ready to be served.